What's up guys, welcome back to the course. In this video, we're going to talk about the table of content. So basically, I'm going to explain things that you're going to learn, things that you're going to do in each chapter. And as you guys can see, we have 16 chapters in total in this course. So hopefully by the end of this video, you have the general overview about things that you're going to do in each chapter, right? So let's talk about the first one here. Let's talk about the first chapter, whom this course is intended for. So basically in this chapter, we're going to answer these particular questions, whom this course is intended for, right? So I'm gonna explain my intention behind creating the course, as well as type of people who might be interested in this course or who might actually need to take this course. And as you guys can guess, one one of them is obviously content creator, right? So if you're a content creator, you want to create a faceless YouTube channel, obviously this is the course for you. And let's talk about the second chapter here, AI tools and resources. I'm going to provide you with a list of AI tools that you can utilize to convert text to audio, text to video, text to image, for example, and also like other important resources that might be helpful for you when you're creating your content. So let's talk about the third chapter. I'm going to introduce you to Faceless YouTube channel, right? I'm going to introduce you to this concept. So if this is like a new concept for you, make sure you stay there and pay very close attention to what I'm about to explain in that chapter. However, if you are familiar with that concept, feel free to skip that chapter, right? So let's talk about the next one here, chapter 4, pros and cons of Faceless YouTube channel. So before creating your faceless YouTube channel, you need to understand very well um, not only the positive things about faceless YouTube channel, but you also need to understand the negative things about faceless YouTube channel, right? So you can like use those things as your considerations, as your personal considerations to make decisions whether this is for you or not, right? Because you're going to kind of like evaluate all the pros and cons and make your own analysis to make the best decision possible for yourself. So that's the reason why I think it's very essential for you to understand not only the pros but also the cons, right? Which we're going to get into more details when we get there. And let's talk about chapter 5. I'm going to provide you with examples of successful faceless YouTube channel, right? So going to list like all these names, and maybe we can also go to YouTube. I will show you like their profile and stuff like that. And chapter 6, I'm going to teach you on how to find your niche, right? It's very important for a YouTuber to pick a niche first, because if you're just making like a random video that's too broad, too general, you cannot like get your target audience. So that's the main problem. So yeah, I'm going to teach you on how to pick a high demand niche, and also how to choose your target audience, right? And those two things are kind of related to each other, obviously. So if you pick this niche, for example, obviously um, your target audience is going to be the certain demographics, right? So let me give you an example. Let's say you want to pick a Minecraft niche or gaming niche. Obviously, your target audience is going to be like most likely Gen Z and millennials, like relatively younger generations or gamers, for example, right? And let's talk about the next one here, chapter 7. I'm going to give you some faceless YouTube channel ideas, right? So obviously there are more than ideas that I'm going to give you, but those are kind of like the most common one, right? For example, like gaming channel or travel, or maybe history, like all those ideas that you can implement without having to show your face in front of camera. So that's the point. And chapter 8, going to introduce you to AI tools that can help you to convert text to image, text to audio, and even text to video. And chapter 9, that's going to be like the major component of this course, where I'm going to guide you step by step on how to create videos using all these AI technologies, combining with our brilliant ideas. So in this chapter, we're going to have like two different projects. The first one, we're going to get our content outline, content script from ChatGPT, and then the second project, we're going to use AI tools to convert text to video. So chapter 10, I'm going to teach you on how to design interesting thumbnail. Obviously, when it comes to content creation, thumbnail is very essential because no matter how good your content quality is, but if you don't have a very interesting thumbnail, then most likely not a lot of people are going to click on your videos, right? And chapter 11, um, we're going to create our own YouTube channel, right? So assuming you haven't created your YouTube channel yet, so I'm going to guide you step by step on how to do it. But if you already have your YouTube channel, skip that video, right? Feel free to skip that video. And the next one is going to be a full step-by-step tutorial on how to upload your video on YouTube, right? If you already knew how to upload your video on YouTube channel, then feel free to skip that video too. And chapter 13, it's also like pretty important component of this course. I'm going to go over the SEO, searching engine optimizations, and choosing the right keywords, right? So obviously at the end of the day, we want our videos to be ranked in the best place possible, right? So for example, like someone searched this particular keyword, and then we really want that our video shows up in the first or maybe second place, right? So that's what we're trying to do. Try to choose the right keyword, like the most accurate keyword, so our video can rank in the best place possible. And chapter 14, I'm going to teach you the strategies to grow your audience. Obviously, as a YouTuber, as a content creator, we want to get more viewers, more subscribers, more followers, and it's not gonna be easy. Obviously, there's no success that happens like overnight. It's going to take you like lots of efforts and hard work, but there are like some effective strategies that should be implemented to accelerate you to get to the point where you want to be, right? So that's chapter 14. Let's talk about chapter 15. I'm going to teach you the strategies to monetize YouTube channel. So the common misconceptions about YouTube monetizations, a lot of people think the only way you get money from YouTube is just to apply for YouTube partnership program and get your money from AdSense, right? So every single time your videos got ads and your audience watch that ads or maybe even click on that ad set, you're going to get paid. But actually there are like more ways to monetize your YouTube channel besides YouTube partnership program. So I'm going to explain it to you, like what are those things. And finally, chapter 16 is going to be conclusion and summary. So I'm going to summarize all things that you've learned so far, and also I'm going to share a few tips and tricks on how to be a more successful content creator, particularly a YouTuber, right? So yeah guys, I think that's all for this video. I will see you guys in the next video. We're going to start our first chapter, and once again, welcome to the course, and I'm so excited to have you here. All right, bye guys.